Alright, George, here we go. Here's the tip damage on the wing. I don't know how well you can see this. And it goes up into the flap there. Aileron. And the rest, see, leading edge length is cracked. Leading edge looks good. Okay. And then on the other wing, there's some slight damage at the other end. And I think this tail is in pretty good shape. As once again, this is an unrehearsed video. And this is kind of strange damage. I think that actually what happened is the middle of the night we're hauling this thing back and the fuel pod came loose from the load. Flew back and smacked this. At least in theory that's what happened. I could be wrong. You probably can't see this dent very well on the video. It doesn't look like nothing too major. Let's look at the top side of this, the bad wing, the left wing. And you can see a pretty good wrinkle there. And just shy of where the wing stand is. It's got a big wave right there. Looks like the front edge is pretty darn good. Alrighty.